Hello everyone, we are back with a new topic which will help you in combining and repeating data in an Excel. It is not only a quick tip but can give you a way how you can utilize this for creating a dynamic way in your day-to-day routine. Let's first understand what is our requirement. We need to combine a table. So we have one data set with name and another data set like month, and this is how we require our output. We want every month should come in front of or every name. Since here my data is very less, so I can simply, you can think of simply doing copy and paste, but think of when you have a huge data where 50, 60 names and you have to repeat them months in front of them. We have to think of some dynamic way so that if there is any change in data, we just need to refresh it and it get done. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in Excel only. So let's move to the Excel. So here is our two data sets, the one with the name and the month. To proceed further, first we have to convert this into a table. To do that, click anywhere in the name and press Ctrl T. It will ask for the range from where I want it. My table has a header, so I select OK, then OK. Now it's changed. I can rename it to the name for my reference. Then go here, repeat the same step for this, Control T. My table has a header. Okay. Now the main work start. Click here, then go to data. Look for table or for sheet option depending upon the version you installed. So I go with the from table range. So what it had done, it opened a Power Query editor for me, and it will automatically importing my data, and steps are recorded here. So I can rename here as well so that I can read if there are multiple tables to be installed. These are months. Sorry. Press enter. Now we have to click on close and load, and I'm creating only creating connection so that it won't increase the file size. I will repeat the same steps with name. It will again import it, and these applied steps are noted here. Now I give it the name. I'll name it name final so that we know when we are importing it. So what's a requirement? I have to put months in front of the name. So it's just I go to the add column, add a custom column. It open a window where first I have to give the column name. So let's give it months. Now it's asking for the formula. Here I will simply type month. It will show me all the available option for me. It is showing the months table which we imported from our sheet, and it's showing different formulas which using month. So for differentiation, you can see this icon. It's different from others. So we select this month and press OK. Now you can observe that no data is showing here, but instead of that, it's showing up arrows moving right and left. This is a button to expand the table, or the table which we imported from the another table. So just click on it. We don't want the original column name. We want the names which we have given it to the custom column. Click OK. Boom. See, our requirement is done. That's what we require. Now we have to import this data on the Excel table. Go to the close and load. Now instead of this, we'll select the table. We'll go to the existing worksheet. Now we'll select, suppose I want here in column G1, click OK. It will import my data here. Now I will show you how I'm saying this is dynamic. Suppose I add a new name here in the table. Suppose I add Rita. What I need to do, I click here, just refresh. We have added in the last, so go to the last. You see Rita in the same format as we required. Same ways, if month increase, new month added to the data, just go here and refresh. You can see June is there. So it's very quick, right? Hope you enjoyed this quick topic and topic is clear. If you have any doubts or any specific query related to this, please type under comment section and we'll respond to you on the same. Thank you. Thank you, Helen.